Hi Virgo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your last love bite for 2020. And these are general collective readings, so Virgo will not resonate with all of you out there, so take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Virgo gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Virgo, let's take an angel blessing card to top the reading and then we'll start your reading, your tarot reading, okay? My angels, a blessing, advice, or a message card for my Virgo gang, please. This one, all right. Let's keep this one here, Virgo. Put the rest back. And the card I have for you here, Virgo, is learning experience. So let's keep this here. Learning experience sometimes also represents in the spiritual language maybe some karmic lessons that you had to learn, maybe with a person, with a soulmate. But before I say too much, I'd like to open your cards and see what is this learning experience taught you or is teaching you right now. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting the channel with your wonderful comments, your likes, your shares, and your generous donations to the channel to keep it up and running. Thank you so much. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, and become part of us. We welcome you in. So Virgo, this is going to be a simple 9-card spread to check on your energies. But if any of you are looking for a private reading, Virgo, you can reach me. My email is in the About section of the channel and also the description box below. Bottom of my deck, I have the 9 of Pentacles. All right, that's always nice. Maybe right now you are single, but beautifully so, right? You are rocking it with your pentacles. You are stable. You're looking gorgeous. This is like the pre-Empress card where a person has found their stability in themselves. Yes, they want a partner, don't need anyone, right? So that's a very good position to be in, Virgo, if you are in that. So let's start with some dialogue cards. Maybe somebody has their eye on you, or maybe there's a past person who wants to say something to you, or maybe a secret crush that you have your eye on, or them you. So if there is somebody like that for Virgo, what would they like to say to my Virgo now, Spirit? Or what would Virgo like to say to them? One more. One more for Virgo, please. Thank you. Let's take a few from this other deck as well. No, actually you're single, so let's just leave this deck here. That's more for people who are in separation, right? So let's just take couple more from here. Okay. So Virgo, no matter how complicated this gets, I won't ever give up on you or us. So this is a past person, okay? So maybe things have gotten complicated between the two of you, and now I am being guided to take a couple from this other deck as well, since you are right now energetically still connected to somebody from your past. Well, let's take one more. All right. Even though you may be single right now or feeling single, there is somebody in your energy zone. The ball is in your court now. I've done everything I can to get this connection to move along. We are at a standstill now until you come forward with your feelings and put the wheel in motion. Just as I said, one person is saying, hey, I'm okay by being by myself now. I've done whatever I could. Now it's up to you. Next card. I'm involved with someone else and it wouldn't be fair to either of you to pursue our connection at this time. So this is the problem here. The person who hasn't come forward yet, like this person said, I've done everything I could, now it's up to you. This person can't come forward because maybe they are feeling obligated to a current relationship in their life, and they feel it wouldn't be fair if I came towards you now, because I can't do justice to neither of you. Next one. Being one with you intimately is home to me, and I desire to be one with you and home with you. The thought of another being with you kills me. Darling, you're mine. Next message. Love doesn't even begin to describe what I feel about you. There are no words to explain the depth of my feelings. So the feelings are there, Virgo, but I do feel that one person is ready and so is the other one. They feel the love, but they have somebody they're still obligated to, and they feel it won't be fair if they stepped up right now, because they have to do the right thing at the right time. Life is too short to keep your feelings to yourself. I cannot stay silent any longer with these words hidden inside my heart and soul, because they want to burst out of my chest and my mouth. I love you. Love is there. Love is there. I mean, too many cards saying the same thing. The love is there, but even though one person seems ready and available to start a brand new chapter, the other person is still a bit stuck, because they want to do right by their past person before coming forward to the new person. So let's open your cards, Virgo, and see what's happening here. Chariot, Nine of Wands, Seven of Wands, Ace of Cups, Strength, Four of Wands in reverse, Five of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune, and the Emperor. Exactly. I mean, whatever the cards have said, I think this is just kind of mirroring that. Even though one or both of you wanted to rush towards each other with a brand new beginning, this relationship, I think, is still a secret here. Things have not been exposed, or your relationship is now not in the open. The feeling is there, hey, let's kind of move together. Oops, I'm sorry, too many cards, Spirit. Sorry. Yeah, things are still secret. There are still secrets being kept. Maybe communication has kind of halted between the two of you right now, because one person feels the other one is not fighting for the connection, not making a decision regarding this relationship. So that's why communication is a bit halted, or maybe not there at all at the moment. And the other person has become kind of defensive as well. That, hey, if you're not going to fight for it, if you can't be strong enough, you can't be man enough, or you can't be grounded enough to, come towards me correct, then I will also keep myself guarded now, because you're not making any decision. If you won't make a decision for us, then I think I'll make a decision for us. Then I will also not give you my love here. So this cup of love is getting wasted because of somebody else's weakness. They're not being able to do the right thing. Both wanting now to get out of these troubled times and be together, both unhappy without the other person, but it hasn't happened because somebody doesn't have the courage right now. Why they don't have the courage, Virgo, is maybe there is a wife involved here, okay? There is a home and a wife, and this person doesn't have the courage to destroy their past home with their wife here. They are not finding the courage to do the right thing. Even though they want to, but they don't want to live in regret now, so that when they look back at the past, that they'll have any regrets of how they treated somebody else because they wanted to move ahead in their life for a better future. Five of Cups, Spirit. Five of Cups. They don't want to leave their past unhappy, because they don't want to carry the stress of somebody else's unhappiness with them into their future, I think. They want to do the right thing by everybody, so that when they move on, they can have a flow, and it shouldn't be resting on somebody else's unhappiness. The thought of doing that makes this person feel very weak. They don't feel they have the control or the power to move on in their own life after hurting somebody else. What's this Emperor spirit? He's come out twice in reverse here. What does this Emperor want to say? What's this Emperor? Emperor. What does the Emperor want to say? Maybe there are children involved as well. Maybe, I don't know, Virgo. This Emperor is in reverse, right? So either they're trying to control the way this thing will move forward now. They're trying to control the outcome of moving ahead or moving away from something. Maybe there are some children involved here. They just don't want stress and tension, and they're very confused as to how to have this fresh new beginning in their life. They don't have the clarity right now, but they are also very, very restless at not being able to make a clear decision for their life as to how to move forward. So there's a lot of confusion here, Virgo. One person is ready for this relationship, the other person is confused about how to. They want to control and you can't please the world. Virgo, I don't know whether this is you or this is your partner, but my only thing is that you have to follow your heart at some point, because you'll end up making everybody unhappy by the end of it. I have somebody here trying to control the outcome where they can keep everybody happy, and that's not going to happen, Virgo. Okay, so let this be a learning experience in your life. Maybe this is a lesson that you have to learn about how to stand up for yourself. And yes, do justice to everybody, but you have to be strong enough to choose a path, this way or that way. Because either way, you're thinking, or whoever this Emperor is thinking, I don't want to hurt. In reality, they're hurting three people: their past, themselves, and their future person. So that's all I have for you, Virgo. And if you're the feminine, you stay strong, because you're in the right and you're doing right by yourself. Continue focusing on yourself and keeping yourself very stable and very strong. Okay? So love and light. Take care. Namaste.